Gutiri na gitumi o giothe kia AKENYA kugia na WAGAGU iguru rigie ugitiri wa riboti cia bata imakonie iria ciandikithitio mitambo-ini ya thirikari. Kuringana na Minister wa ICT ELIUD Owalo, IGERIA ria gikundi kia andu MATOIKAINE muthenya wa ira guthoga mitambo ya MOTUNGATA ma thirikari ya eCitizen hamwe na MOTUNGATA ma kambuni ingi niriraringire ihiga.
It was not a hacking. There's a difference between an attempted attack and a hack. A hack means you get into the system and adulterate whatever is domiciled in there, or you interfere with the data that you find there. There was no breach of data.
Owalo uria ukwaragia kauntiini ya MURANG'A augite MOTUNGATA MOTHE ma thirikari kuhitukira mutambo wa eCitizen NIMACOKEREIRIE na gutiri ripoti kana besha o ciothe iraiyirwo.
There was no infringement on the privacy and security of our data. So I want to assure all Kenyans that our data is safe. Our mitigation framework around the system repulsed that attempt. What they did was to try to jam the system or clog the system by making over and above ordinary levels of requests into the systems so that they interfere with the efficiencies and effectiveness of the platform. But as at last evening, our technical people have addressed that issue and we are now back to operation.
Owalo auma hamwe na mubunge wa Dagoreti ya Muhuro John Kiarie uria nowe muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge ya ICT uria utariirie mitaratara ya thirikari ya kugitira ripoti cia AKENYA.
System yo yenyewe ina ihinga iria ciagiriire ku make sure ati data iria ikuoya mwananchi negitire na ikarorwo wega. Twina mawatho maiganu thiini wa bururi uyu na Kenya ona nitengerete mbere ya mabururi maingi muno thiini wa thi tondu mawatho maria twinamo ta the Kenya Privacy and Data Protection Bill, Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Bill ne bill ciagiriire muno ati iraganwo thi ngima.
Maya mokite riri arugamiriri ahoge tiganite ikoni maundu ma ICT umuthe marokire kugia na giikaro niguo kwaririria ugitiri wa mitambo ya thirikari iri huthikaga nenda-ini na kwarira mitaratara ya gutigirira AKENYA ni mathiro ni nganja ya ugitiri wa mitambo iria mahuthagira.
As much as we have addressed the current challenge, long term I want to also assure Kenyans that we have got adequate technical capacity within government to put in place an elaborate mitigation framework for purposes of ensuring that we have got data privacy and data security so that we have sustainable digital transformation.
Hadine Hakameme TV, Titagogena, Wawadurwa.